Sawadee-kap and hello again. Today a video about my new best friend, my trusty Yamaha Aerox 155 scooter. You see it right here. And in this video tips and tricks for renting a scooter bike in Thailand. And I'm super grateful to my scooter friend, because without him I couldn't have gone to all these beautiful places in Thailand. And subsequently I couldn't have made all these YouTube videos. But without further ado, let's start why renting a scooter in Thailand is a good thing. And after that some valuable tips and tricks. So why the heck rent a scooter in Thailand? Well, first of all, it's fun to ride. The weather here is super. The sun is almost always shining, and yeah, you see so much more when you're riding yourself. And that brings us to the second point. Scooter riding is flexible. You can stop for a picture, the restroom, or a drink wherever you want. And on top of that, it's not expensive. A minibus or a taxi is way more expensive. And a scooter rental and also gas is cheap in Thailand. And also it's fast. You're always fast and always first in line at the traffic lights. And yeah, traffic jams don't exist for a scooter. And then number 5, you don't have to look for a parking spot. There's always room for a scooter, and you kind of can park it wherever you want. So yeah, to summarize it, 5 reasons for getting a scooter in Thailand. It's fun, it's flexible, it's not expensive, and it's fast and super easy parking. Yeah, then the tips for riding a scooter in Thailand. Tip number 1 is please wear a helmet. The roads are good in Thailand, but the roads and the traffic is really different than the roads in Europe or the USA. And that brings us to number 2. Drive safe. You're on holiday, so why the hell should you be in a hurry? Drive slowly, and driving slowly allows you to see more and to stop whenever you need to. And number 3 is carry always your driver's license plus international driver's license, or 500 baht. Police stops are frequent in Thailand, and you need to show either your driver's license plus international driver's license, or you have to pay 500 baht to drive on. And when renting the bike, please rent it at a good place and never leave your passport as a down payment. And number 5 is yeah, when you rent the bike, please check the bike. Check the brakes, check for damages, make photos and or a video of the bike. So to wrap that up, please wear a helmet, drive safely, carry your driver's license plus international driver's license or money, rent at a good place, and check before renting. The last part of this video covers finding your way around in Thailand. Well, phone navigation is ideal for that. But yeah, you need both hands to ride your scooter bike. But I found a solution for that. Actually, it's this fanny pack. It's designed to carry around your waist and to see your phone while walking or running. But you also can easily put it on every motorbike, and allows you to see the screen of your phone, so that you know where to turn right or to turn left. And when it comes to navigation systems, please don't use Google Maps. It freezes frequently in Thailand, and on top of that, it doesn't have all roads. Much better options are the free apps of Maps.me or Thailand Map. Those apps work perfectly in Thailand. Well, that wraps it up. I hope that all the tips and tricks are of some use for you. Have a super nice day. See you again, and bye bye.